Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable BitLocker on Windows 11. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. Click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. On the left side, click this PC. Now you will get list of all the drives on the PC. In my case, this is the only drive. Now if you take a look at this drive, there is a lock icon. That means BitLocker is enabled. Let's disable it. Right click on the drive and select Manage BitLocker. This will open another window. Here look for this option that reads Turn off BitLocker and click on it. In this dialog box, click on Turn off BitLocker to confirm the action. This will start decrypting your data and the process will take time depending on how much data is encrypted on the drive. Just like that, you can disable BitLocker on other drives as well. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.